Have you ever noticed vertical ridges on your nails? They're easy to overlook, but these tiny lines might be telling you more than you realize. Contrary to common belief, they're not just a cosmetic concern. These vertical ridges could be a mirror, reflecting our internal health status. Intriguing, isn't it? How such a minor detail can hold such significant insights. Well, prepare to have your curiosity piqued as we delve into the fascinating correlation between our nails and our health. So let's dive into the science of nails and what they can reveal about our health. Nails aren't just for scratching itches or opening cans, they're also health indicators. They're like mini billboards, broadcasting messages about your body's well-being. The story begins with the nail matrix, a tissue nestled under the skin at the base of your nail. This matrix is a nail-making factory, constantly churning out cells that become the hard nail plate we see. It's a delicate process, and any change in your body's health can disrupt it. For instance, if you're not getting enough nutrients, your nails might grow more slowly. They could become brittle or develop ridges. Even changes in humidity can affect them. But it's not all about the outside. If your body is fighting an infection or dealing with a chronic condition, your nails might show it. They could change color, shape, or texture. So nails are more than just beauty accessories. They're health barometers, giving us clues about what's happening inside our bodies. So what do these vertical ridges on your nails reveal about your health? These vertical ridges that run from the cuticle to the tip of your nail are not just age lines. They tell a story, a narrative about your body's health that you may have been overlooking. First off, let's debunk a common misconception. Vertical ridges on nails are not necessarily a sign of any serious health concern. They are often a natural result of aging. But just like wrinkles on your skin, they can sometimes indicate more than just the passing years. The ridges might be your body's way of saying, hey, I could use a little more vitamin B12 or iron. Yes, a deficiency in certain vitamins and minerals can cause these ridges. So, if you've been skipping your greens or ignoring your multivitamins, your nails might be throwing you subtle hints to step up your nutrition game. In some cases, these vertical ridges can be indicative of underlying health conditions. Certain illnesses like kidney disease or diabetes might make their presence known through changes in your nails. However, don't panic yet. These conditions are usually accompanied by other more noticeable symptoms. So, the next time you're admiring your freshly painted nails, take a moment to look closer. Those tiny lines could be telling you something important about your health. And always remember, it's better to be informed than to ignore these small yet telling signs. Remember, your nails are a mirror to your health. While vertical ridges are usually harmless, they can sometimes be a sign of a more serious condition. It's crucial to understand that our nails, like other parts of our bodies, can signal when something isn't quite right. While vertical ridges are often a normal part of aging, if they're accompanied by other changes, it's time to seek medical help. Let's say you notice a sudden shift in the color of your nails, or they start to change shape. Perhaps your nails start to bleed or cause you discomfort. These are all signs that should not be ignored. Your body is essentially waving a red flag, indicating that something is off balance. It's important to remember that health professionals are there to help. They have the knowledge and expertise to interpret these signs and guide you on the path to better health. After all, early detection is key in addressing potential health issues. So, the next time you look at your nails, remember they are telling a story about your health.